Namaste and greetings from myself Swan Soda on this Wednesday Triti, popularly known as Akshay Triti and also known as Akhatij. This is a very auspicious and sacred day for all Hindus and Jains. This day occurs in the spring month of Vaishakh during Shukla Paksh Tithi in the Hindu calendar. Sanskrit meaning for Akshay means never diminishing or never decreasing, while Triti means the third phase of moon and the day is thought to bring luck and success. Scientifically speaking, on this day, the sun, which is regarded as the lord of all planets, and moon in Hinduism gets to its peak radiance. It's a time frame when the distinction between the sun and the moon is any place between 24 and 36 degrees. Thus, the sun and moon are at the most accelerated position on this day, and so the brightness of the moon is like the strength of one's mind, and that of the sun is like the conscience in the body. Thus, this day is mentioned to be auspicious and favorable to start any new ventures, marriages, invest in gold and any other property, as well as charitable deeds that are thought to bring blessings. It is also the day of remembrance for the loved ones who have died. Now, just for some good humor, while I find many people invest in gold, silverware, property, vehicles, electronic gadgets, etc., I personally also like to invest my time and knowledge into my channel to earn your blessings. Hope you have pressed the like button for me. Just a bad joke. Well, moving ahead to know more about this day's history, according to the ancient scriptures, Akshay Triti is related to Lord Krishna, Draupadi and sage Durvasa. One day, sage Durvasa along with his disciples visited a Pandav Yudhishthir's place during the Agyatwas in the forest. During the sadhu's visit, the Pandavas were famished due to the lack of food, and so the homemaker Draupadi was tense with this because she could not accustom hospitality to the Atithi sadhus. Lord Krishna came to know about it, so he blessed to save Draupadi and Pandavas from sage's curse by turning their empty food pot into an Akshay Patra. Thus, Pandavas got saved from the curse and were blessed. Coincidentally, on this auspicious day, Vedvyasa began to recite Lord Ganesh the Hindu epic Mahabharata, while goddess Ganga arrived on the earth at the appeal of Bhagirath on this day of Akshay Triti. It is also believed that Lord Krishna's friend Sudama visited him in Dwarka on this day and received a lot of wealth. Similarly, as per Jainism, Akshay Triti day honors Lord Rishabdev, the first Tirthankar of Jain, as he ended his rigorous fasting after 1 year by consuming sugarcane juice poured into his cupped hands. So, interestingly, what rituals do some devotees follow? Well, they get up early in the morning and dressed typically in yellow clothing, which is considered to be auspicious. Then they bathe the idol of Vishnu in the holy water of Ganga and of a garland of tulsi leaves and flowers, as some believe that this day is the birthday of Lord Purushottam, an avatar of Creator Vishnu. And so, they recite Vishnu Sahasranama or Vishnu Chalisa. Many devotees also keep a fast for the whole day, which they should not break the fast until the next day. Some people will also recite 18 chapters of Bhagavad Gita. Similarly, some people worship Lord Ganesh and Lord Lakshmi Narayan before starting the new accounting book for the next financial year. It is known as Harkhata. They will also light a lamp and agarbatti sticks in front of the idol of goddess, while most people recite Lakshmi Mantra or Lakshmi Stotra to invoke blessings of money goddess, as many families end up buying gold or silver on Akshay Triti. The logic behind buying gold is that believers believe that this day is when Lord Kuber, the deity associated with wealth, got blessed by Lord Brahma and Shiva and acquired a new kingdom known as Alkapuri. So, devotees too believe that buying ornaments in Lord Kuber's name may lead to unlimited prosperity and wealth. In short, different believers celebrate this auspicious day in their own best way. Like some farmers commences the first plotting day of the forthcoming harvest season, while some take a holy dip in the river Ganga and make donations with positive thinking that the benefits of doing donation with jap and yagya on this day stays permanently with them as punya. To conclude, may this Akshaya Tritiya bring you prosperity, success and happiness in your life. May you be blessed with good health and long life. On this auspicious day of Akshaya Tritiya, may Lord Vishnu bless you with wealth, prosperity and abundance. Pranam.